So exercise 5.3 first problem see here. Using the implicit derivatives, you have to solve it. Exercise 5.3 first problem. 2x plus 3y is equals to sin x. So find the dy by dx. Here directly also you can find out dy by dx because y is equals to, you can write it. It's not an implicit function, it's an explicit function. Why? Because here y is equals to sin x minus 2x by 3, you can write it dy by dx directly also. But as this chapter is an implicit function, you could, if you want to solve it, what you have to do, dy by dx means d by dx of left hand side is equals to d by dx of sin x. So what do you get here? D by dx of 2x is nothing but d by dx of 2x plus d by dx of 3y is equals to d by dx of sin x. Okay, so this is 2 plus 3 into dy by dx is equals to, the differentiation of the sin x is equals to cos x. So 3 dy is equals to, we will get here cos x minus 2, and is equals to cos x minus 2 by 3. So this is the derivative of the given function. Okay. Next, second problem is given 2x plus 3y is equals to sin y. So that is actually cannot be solved. Whenever you compare this problem you can write it as a directive. But second one, whenever it is given to you, here it is given, this is an implicit function. 2x plus 3y is equals to sin y is given to you. 2x plus 3y is equals to sin y. So 2x plus 3y is equals to sin y whenever it is given to you. To find the derivative of this function, dy by dx, you need to find out everything. So y is present here and here. You cannot write this as a y is equals to f of x. But here you can write it y is equals to f. This can be solved like that. Now here, what you have to do, in this situation, you need to do the 2x plus d by dx of the left hand side is equals to d by dx of right hand side. Okay, so now what do you get here? D by dx of 2x. So writing 2 plus 3 into dy by dx, d by dx of sin y, cos y into dy by dx, cos y into dy by dx. So now where dy by dx is there, all that you take it to the one side and the remaining to the x. So this one you write to the 2 is equals to cos y into dy by dx minus 3 into dy by dx. So 2 is equals to dy by dx cos y minus 3. Cos y minus 3. So from this dy by dx is equals to, what you get here? 2 by cos y minus 3. So this is the derivative of the dy by dx of the given function. Did you understand here? So third problem is given to you in the same way. Ax plus by square is equals to is given. So that you can solve it, I think so. So both sides you need to take the derivative. 2x plus 3y. Sorry, 2x plus 3y. Ax plus by is equals to cos y is given to you. This problem, I think you can do it. It's not more difficult to you. I'm moving to the fourth problem. Little bit you may feel it is difficult, but it's not difficult. So fourth one, xy plus y square. Xy plus y square is equals to tan x plus y. You cannot solve it. You cannot write this as a y is equals to f of x. Then we call it as a implicit function. Y is equals to f of x, you are not able to write. So that's why we call it as a implicit function. So what you have to write here, d by dx of xy plus y square is equals to d by dx of tan x plus y. So what do you get here? D by dx of xy. So here x is the variable, means it is a expression, and y is the function in terms of x. So that's why y ka andar bhi x hai. That means you need to take the inside the y is also. Y also one function of x. So what you have to do here in this situation? A situation mein d by dx of xy should be taken into consideration. Plus d by dx of y square. Now here also d by dx of tan x. It is not necessary to you to write every step like this, but as it is starting, you can write. What do you get here? A, suppose if y is the constant, then d by dx of x into k means k into 1 we are going to. But here, UV formula should be applied here. Product formula should be applied here. D by dx of f of x into g of x formula should be applied here. So x into derivative of this one, dy by dx, plus y into derivative of x, so that is 1, plus derivative of y square is 2y. And again, y should be derivative, find the derivative of the y with respect to x. Tan x differentiation is secant square x plus dy by dx. Now, where do you have the dy by dx? That all should be taken into together. So, x dy by dx either hai, either hai, either hai. All that you write together. And this is other than the dy by dx. So, that's why x dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx plus, sorry, minus dy by dx is equals to secant square x minus y. So from this dy by dx you take the common. So when you take the common, x plus 2y minus 1 into dy by dx is equals to secant square x minus y. So from this dy by dx is equals to secant square x minus y by x plus 2y minus 1. X plus 2y minus 1. Okay. In the same way, fifth one is given one expression, x square plus xy plus y square. X square plus xy plus y square is equals to. So both sides derivatives, whenever you are taking, right hand side derivative will become the 0. Right hand side derivative will become the 0. 0 ho jayega. Okay. So that problem also you can solve it. It's not more difficult for you to do that one. Fifth problem. Let us move to the sixth problem. You may feel it's lengthy hai. Lengthy problem hai, but not more difficult. Sixth and seventh problems. Sixth one. So the question is given to you: cube x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equals to 81. So derivative you need to find out here. So what do you get here? D by dx of x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equals to d by dx of 81. Now what do you get here? X cube derivative is 3x square. I am not writing individually, directly writing, plus x square into dy by dx. UV method, plus y into derivative of x square, that is 2x, plus x into derivative of y square. Derivative of y square is 2y, dy by dx should be right, plus y square into derivative of x, 1, plus derivative of y cube with respect to x, that is 3y square, dy by dx is equals to 0. So what are the terms we are having dy by dx? All write here together. So what are the terms you are having? Dy by dx, x square plus 2xy plus 3y square dy by dx plus 3x square plus 2xy plus y square is equals to 0. This completely take to the right hand side and dy by dx right. So what do you get here from this? Dy by dx is equals to minus half 3x square plus 2xy plus y square divided by x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. So this is the see it is simple only, it's not more complicated, it's lengthy here, but it is not more complicated. Okay, so something you may feel that seventh problem little bit different. Seventh also I will explain to you. Seventh one. So sine square y, it is given to you sine square y plus cos xy is equals to pi. Sin square y plus cos xy is equals to pi. So derivative both sides you need to take dy by dx. Here also d by dx of pi. So pi is a constant. The derivative of that one will become 0. Sin square y different derivative is 2 sin y dy by dx. Cos xy derivative is, can you say what do you get? Cos xy derivative. D by dx of sin square y means 2 sin y. Dy by dx you will write, but it is not. It is wrong. By here you do remember that whenever most of the students will do this mistake. Just it is in the form of x square. X square derivative you did. Again you need to do the derivative of the sin y. This is x square derivative 2x. So you need to write d by dx of sin y. Cos xy derivative is minus sin xy. Minus sin xy. Now what to do here? Derivative of xy you need to do. That is equals to 0. Here sin y derivative you need to. So what do you get here? 2 sin y. Sin y derivative is cos y. And y derivative again, that is dy by dx minus sin xy into xy derivative. X into dy by dx, x into dy by dx plus y into 1 is equals to brackets you write properly here, and this sin xy you multiply inside. Why? Because wherever this is 2 sin y cos y you are having. 2 sin y cos y can be written as sin 2y. So you can write here sin 2y dy by dx minus sin xy. Don't write here x. You write here x because it becomes an angle. This is an angle. If you write x here, x also will become the angle. So x sin y dy by dx you write minus y sin y is equals to 0. Wherever what are the terms are having dy by dx, you write take the common here. So what do you get here? Sin 2y minus x sin xy into dy by dx, and that y sin y send it to the right hand side. So is equals to y sin. So dy by dx is equals to y sin y by sin 2y minus x sin y. Is it okay? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.